GPTfy is a Salesforce App Exchange app to bring artificial intelligence, such as ChatGPT type functionality, into your Salesforce org and provide it to your end users securely, quickly, and in a compliant manner. We took a lot of time to make sure that we address some of the key considerations. Here are some of the areas that we have constantly heard from our customers. There are requirements around regional privacy laws, be it GDPR in Europe, CPRA in California, PDPB in India, and so on. Let's start with regional privacy laws. One of the key requirements is how do you enable AI in specific geographies and align with regional laws? If you have a global Salesforce org, how do you comply with CPRA in California and GDPR in Europe? One option is to assign AI capabilities to specific users. For example, you may selectively enable AI access to your US users, but not to European ones. Second part of this is how do you limit AI processing on customer data? In certain scenarios, you may want to not process customers who are resident of a particular region. For example, perhaps you don't want to process data of European customers. Another could be that you only want to process data where there is an explicit opt-in by your customer. A third example of this could be you want to process data where there is a legitimate basis to do so. The way to do this is to ensure that the prompts are configured to process records either by location or consent. Second part of this is to enable prompt for use cases that are approved for legitimate basis. In this example, you can see that a Salesforce admin can selectively enable specific prompts for a given profile or record type. What this means is you can selectively enable prompts for your users in Europe or United States or other regions. You can control it at a user level, so by named users. You can control it at a profile level. You can control it at a record type level. So for example, if you have different record type for leads from Europe versus leads in America. In addition to this, GPTfy also supports selective record processing, where you can use what is known as a where clause in a SOCL statement to pick only specific records that meet criteria. All of this ensures that AI is only applied in line with your policies.